Welcome to the world of cloud. I am a certified Oracle Cloud Architect and will walk you through the steps to become a certified cloud expert and provide you with the knowledge and resources you need to succeed. Are you ready to take your career to new heights? Let's get started. Question 12. A company has been using Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, to integrate its business applications, such as Oracle HCM Cloud, Oracle ERP Cloud, and Salesforce. However, they are planning to migrate some of their integration workloads from their current OIC instance to a new instance in a different region to comply with data sovereignty regulations. Which statement is true regarding the exporting and importing of integrations? A. You can import a package containing activated integrations. B. You cannot import an integration if it already exists with the same identifier and version. C. To change an integration identifier or version, you can manually edit the exported integration (IAR) file before importing it into another instance. D. You can export an integration ether as a separate file, IAR, or bundled in a package, PAR, and it will still contain the connection resources. Answer is D. Question 13. Which adapter should be used for a configured connection from an orchestrated integration to the enabled file server associated within the same OIC environment? A. File adapter. B. Local adapter. C. REST adapter. D. FTP adapter. Answer is D. Question 14. Which statement about Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, is not valid? A. An application-driven integration can contain one or more trigger, source, connections for requests sent to OIC and one or more invoke, target, connections for requests sent from ORC. B. When you open the mapper for a request or response message in an integration, the data structures are automatically populated with the information pulled from the source and target connections. C. OIC lookups are based on a static definition, meaning you create and populate them during design time, and cannot be changed by runtime activities. D. Using the connectivity agent, you can create hybrid integrations and exchange messages between applications in private or on-premises networks and OIC. Answer is A. Question 15. Which are types of certificates in Oracle Infrastructure Cloud, OIC, that can be imported from the Certificates page under Settings? Select 3. A. Multi-domain SSL certificate. B. Identity certificate. C. Unified Communications certificate. D. Trust certificate. E. Message protection certificate. Answer is B, D, and E. Question 16. One of your downstream applications is becoming overwhelmed with too many individual synchronous invocations from your current Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, integration. It is recommended that you redesign the integration to take advantage of the batch processing capabilities of the application. Which approach is a valid OIC design best practice that will provide the best solution to mitigate this issue? A. Throttle the individual synchronous calls by adding a wait activity prior to each invocation to the application within the loop. B. Reactivate the integration and use the disable tracing and message tracking option, which will optimize performance for each invocation to the application. C. Use the append option in the write file operation of the stage file action within a loop to create a single batch file to be sent to the application. D. Create a custom batch call function. Register the function as a library in your OIC environment, then use the JavaScript action to invoke the application. Answer is C. Question 17. You are designing an OIC integration that processes files in a shared file system located within your on-premises data center. You have decided to leverage various stage file action operations within the integration flow in conjunction with an on-premises OIC connectivity agent. Which statement is not valid concerning file operation capabilities with regard to restrictions on using stage file action operations with the file and attachment features of the connectivity agent? A. Files uploaded through the connectivity agent are not available with the operation. B. Files uploaded through the connectivity agent cannot be unzipped using a file reference. C. Files uploaded through the connectivity agent can only be read with a file reference, with regard to both the read entire file and read file in fragments operations. D. Files uploaded through the connectivity agent are not available with the operation. Answer is B. Question 18. You are tasked with creating a new integration in Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, that will be exposed to clients as a SOAP web service. This integration will also invoke an external SOAP web service as part of the orchestration flow logic. Therefore, you will need to define two connection resources, one for the trigger and one for an invoke action. Which statement is valid regarding the creation of these SOAP adapter connections? A. You must explicitly specify the target server TLS version for the external web service outbound invoke connection configuration. B. The SAML and OAuth security policies are available options for creating the inbound trigger connection. C. The WSDL URL property value can be defined by uploading a file for either the inbound trigger connection or the outbound invoke connection configuration. Answer is A. Question 19. You have a use case that requires a large data extract, which is more than 10 megabytes, to be processed within an Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, integration. Which are three valid options? A. Retrieve the file by invoking a SOAP API, which sends base 64 encoded data within the SOAP body, and then decode the data and make it available for processing using a stage file action. B. Retrieve the file from an external endpoint using APIs that support application blob as content type, and make it available for processing using a stage file action. C. Send the file as a multi-part attachment to an OIC integration using a REST trigger, and make it available for processing using a stage file action. D. Upload the file to the OIC file server, and then use an FTP adapter download file operation, which makes it available for processing using a stage file action. E. Retrieve the file by invoking a SOAP API, which sends the document as an MTOM attachment, and make it available for processing using a stage file action. Answer is B, C, and D. Question 20. You can group one or more Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, integrations into a single structure called a package. Which statement is not true about OIC packages? A. Packages cannot be locked to deny other users access to your integrations. B. Packages enable you to easily import and export a group of integrations to and from OIC. C. New packages can be created by clicking the Create button on the Packages page in the OIC console. D. All packages must include at least one integration. E. Integrations do not need to be part of a package. F. You can import packages directly from the Oracle Marketplace. Answer is C. Question 21. When creating integrations in Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, a visual mapper enables you to map element nodes between applications by dragging source element nodes onto target element nodes. Which statement is not true about the OIC data mapper functionality? A. The data structure for the target service is always displayed on the NGHT side in the designer view. B. When you navigate to the mapper and select a target element, Expression Builder launches in a user-friendly mode by default. C. In the designer view, the sources section contains data structures of all available data objects, which includes integration metadata, tracking variables, global variables, and integration property values. D. All source and target data objects are represented internally as JSON structures. E. All transformation mappings use extensible stylesheet language, XSL. Answer is D. Question 22. Which Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, XPath function can be used to retrieve data from an OIC lookup within the data mapper tool? A. Lookup value. B. Get value from lookup. C. Get content as string. D. Get lookup. Answer is A. Kindly subscribe, like and share Oracle Cloud Tech Talks for more videos. See you soon.